In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get Canva Pro for free. Um, so go to here and search up canva.com, and then it's going to tell you to log in. Once you logged in, right here, try Canva Pro for 30 days. Start your free trial. So try it now for $0 Canadian, and then this just pick which one. Anyone works. Press next, and just it is basically like a free trial. You could put in your PayPal normally and just get your free trial like that. So you don't have to spend no money, no nothing. Just or you could put in your card and you don't have to pay anything. You could just wait for 30 days to be over and then cancel the subscription. So once you do this, press get free trial, and it's gonna it's gonna start your Canva Pro subscription. So yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.